ದಿನದಿಂದ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜ್ಞಾನವೂ ಸಹ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಶ್ ಡಿಎಸ್ ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಗುಬ್ಬಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನ ಹೇರೂರಿನ ಶ್ರೀ ಚನ್ನಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಥಾನ್ 2.0 ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಇಂದಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಿಪುಲವಾದ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಯಶಸ್ಸು ಗಳಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು.
Started Dharma, and we are planned for Started Dharma 2. I think this itself is an inspiring for the other departments and at the institutional level. So it's a very happy moment personally for me. Like always I used to say, the events has to be driven by the students, mentored by the faculties. So earlier it used to be mentored, driven, everything by the faculties. Now the change is happening. The change is for good. So this change is brought from the Department of CS, IS, ADSP. So as Anil rightly mentioned, now there is no difference between computer science, information science, artificial intelligence. Many more branches in computer science is going to be added in the days to come. Everything will be under one computer science stream. Hopefully, my sincere request of Tara, Anil and other departments, ADS, to ensure that in case the Department of Computer Science has already kept Saturday free, I think maybe we'll see the HOD's meeting will take a call to extend this facility for all the departments in case if they make Saturdays free. So you can work. See, always at the scale of 20-80, 20% of the students will take it in a positive.
This club and Started Dharma Team 2.0 for organizing such wonderful event and a progressive thought where everyone in this era is needed. As we all discussed, academics is not just enough. We have to grow ahead, we have to face challenges ahead because like you, many are competing for the same. Job is not the ultimate goal, right? See, getting job is easy, surviving in the job is difficult. Where you have skill and knowledge go hand in hand. So I don't want to talk much about what is this, how it is going to start because you all are very well planned. This is already a second version. I just want to tell, earlier it was 5 weeks. And this is 12 weeks program where you have planned good enough for knowledge as well as everything. I want to see at the end of the 12th week because as you see it is an innovation and entrepreneurship, right? Why don't few of you, maybe a same team, maybe a collaborative team, come out. We will sponsor your startup which we are going to start from this Infinity Challenges Club.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಜಿ, HOD ತಾರಾ ಡಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ಪಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನ ಸಂಯೋಜಕ ಅನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದರು.